Hello, I'm Derek Schrader, Policy Advisor at the Department of Energy Weatherization Assistance Program, and I'm going to tell you about the Health and Safety Plan template and the accompanying Health and Safety Measure Matrix calculator we've developed. We've developed these with a few goals in mind. On your end, we wanted to help make sure you don't miss anything. Our goals with any of these templates are always pretty similar. First, we want to help make sure that you don't miss anything when drafting your health and safety plans. As you'd expect, given the high importance we, as a network, put on keeping our clients and workers safe, key program notices related to health and safety are long and detailed, and it could be easy to miss something. Using the template helps make sure your team is addressing all the items needed to ensure you have a comprehensive health and safety plan. This can help speed up the plan approval process. Given that the related program notices are so detailed, the health and safety plan review by your Department of Energy project officer is complex and can sometimes lead to delays in overall grant application approval when the health and safety plan submitted does not follow the general structure outlined in the related program notices. In addition to ensuring you have addressed everything that is being asked about, using the template makes it easy for your project officer to see that everything has been addressed because it's recorded in a consistent format that follows the related instructions provided in the program notice. You might also find that using the template helps you streamline your health and safety plan communications. Depending on what format you currently are using, you may find the structure of the template is streamlined or easier to reference when you need to answer questions that come from the network. Whereas now, things might be recorded in multiple areas related to a given issue, like asbestos. If you use the template, you will have everything in one place. Policies related to working around it in its different forms, blower door testing policies related to the presence of suspected asbestos-containing materials, testing protocols, and documentation requirements. Once the template is completed and your plan is approved, you could remove information that might not be important to the field workers and publish the stripped-down version as a network reference document. To summarize, using the Health and Safety Plan template tool is by no means required, but we at DOE think using it can save you time in the long run and improve your network communication around health and safety activities. If you are interested in trying out the template, there are a few things you'll need to know to make use of it: where to find it, how to use it, and supporting materials. We'll start at the top. This resource will be posted on the EERE website in the Resources section. You can also contact your Department of Energy project officer or me, Derek Schrader, for a copy. My email is included on the last slide of this presentation. Now, for how to use. The template is a fillable form. Sections up through Section 5 are to record overarching policies. The budgeting section, Section 3, includes a spreadsheet tool. The Measure Matrix spreadsheet, to help you calculate and justify your expected average health and safety cost per unit based on realistic data. Starting in Section 6, you are asked to fill out information related to specific health and safety issues, whether your policy concurs with Department of Energy guidance, follows alternative guidance, or results in deferral, funding sources used to address the issue, issue-specific policies as applicable, and any related testing protocols as applicable. But before you start filling out the template, you'll want to ensure you download the relevant program publications or supporting materials. If you are using the template and are unsure what is allowed in a given area, the first place to check is the most current health and safety program notices. You can find the relevant guidance by going to the Program Notice and Memorandums page on our EERE website. Selecting active WPNs and memorandums, then selecting Health and Safety from the list of topics. The current WPN is 17.7 at the time of this recording, and WPN 19.5 can address any questions about incidental repair measures. You will want to have the table of issues from WPN 17.7 open beside you as you reference when you start filling out Section 6 in the template. Relevant program notices and memorandums are always updated in the annual application by again using the search feature. Be sure to select Grants as the search topic to find the most recent annual application instructions. Once you open the application instructions, the health and safety information will be found in Section V. In Section V, subsection 7, Health and Safety. Hopefully, you can see how using the template might make your annual grant application process a little easier. Using the Health and Safety Plan template tools is by no means required, but we think using these tools can save you time in the long run and improve your network communications around health and safety activities. If you have questions about how to access or best use these resources, please contact your Department of Energy project officer or contact me, Derek Schrader, at the email shown. We at the Department of Energy would like to thank you for your time.